guys, welcome to my new tutorial. Here we are going to discuss about data type. What is a data type? Every value in Python has a data type. Since everything is an object in Python programming, data types are actually classes or variable or instance of these classes. First, we are going to discuss about Python numbers. A number is subdivided into integers, floating points are divided into complex number and rational fraction. Integer is further divided into numbers with fractional part. Second, we are going to discuss about Python string. A contiguous set of characters is represented in double quotes or single quotes is called string. A string is a sequence of Unicode characters. A default data type in Python is string. Third, we are going to discuss about Python list. A list consists of elements separated by comma and enclosed within a square bracket. Next, we are going to discuss about Python tuples. A tuple consists of elements separated by comma and enclosed within a function bracket or parenthesis. Next, we are going to discuss about Python dictionaries. A dictionary consists of pairs of keys and the corresponding values. We are going to discuss about Python files. A file is some information or data which stores in computer device permanently. We are going to discuss about Python sets. A set is an unordered collection data type that is iterable, mutable and has no duplicate element. Now I am going to explain the program. The first data type is a number. The number is subdivided into integers and floating point. First we are going to concentrate in integers. The 5 and 55 are called operand. It was the operand, and plus is an operator. Here the plus is refers to addition of two numbers. A floating point means what? A decimal value. A 49 divided by 7. This operator is called as divider, and I will explain it in later part. 7.0 3.6 is divided into 2.1. Here the slash symbol is also refers to a divider. The value is 1.7142. If we want to shortened into 2 digit, what we can do? 3.6 into double floor 2.1. This operator is named as a floor. It is used to convert the long digit number into a long digit number after a decimal value into a 2 digit number after decimal. Okay, 1.714. I will discuss it in later part. Sorry, 1.71. I will discuss it in later part. The next data type is a string. What I was told, a string is a character or a words or even a number enclosed within a single or double quotes is called as a string. Okay, a string is a immutable. We cannot change the order. But we can slice it. 0 1 2 3 4 5. Remember that all the index value is started from 0. Okay, it will I will discuss it in later part in further videos. Okay, first just for an example, 1:4 yth. After discussing about the slicing, you will understand how it's yth. Okay, for yth. Next, this is refers to a of 0. Its syntax is a of x. Any variables we can pass in it. Okay, not variables, any index value can be passed through it. Okay, 0 is the first element. Here a first element is a p, so the answer is p. Next data type is a list. What is a list? A list is a element or a character enclosed within a square bracket and separated by a comma. What I am written here. Okay, here also we can assign access the value. Okay, access the value. How to add b of 0? The same 0 1 2 3. the first index value df0 is a. Then x is equal to 567. Okay, here the plus sign is refers to concatenation. If you've seen my later video, you know about what is concatenation. If you've not seen, you go back and see what is concatenation. Okay, concatenation, I'm again explaining. Concatenation means adding a two strings or a two strings or a list or a tuple or dictionaries. Here the first four part a 1 2 3 and the next 5 6 7 both are concatenated in the uh, single list. Okay, then I'm going to then the starter list. Starter, what is the starter? In general, a starter is arranging a number or a words in the alphabetic order or in numerical adder. The same is here. Okay, 5 minus 2 1. Okay, the syntax is sorted parenthesis x. Okay, here the x is refers to a list or a variable which we want to sorted. Okay, after sorting, it's be minus 2 1 and 3. Okay, the further part of the list is discussed briefly in further videos. Okay, in future videos. Then tuples. What is a tuple? It's the same. A tuple is enclosed within. Okay, a tuple can be also written as quotes the enclosed within a enclosed with a character. Okay, it is called as an empty tuple. I will teach it to you in later part. Okay, the tuple is immutable. We cannot change a tuple. Here also 0 1 2 3 4 5. We cannot slice. We cannot access or change the value. The index value of 0 is changed into e. What is the code? But it's an error. We cannot change the tuple. So concatenate. We can also concatenate it what two strings. If you see in my last video, you know about concatenate. Okay, concatenation. This plus sign is known as concatenation. Concatenation is used to concatenate or add or join two strings, to list, to tuples, to dictionaries, and so on. Then the next data type is a dictionary. What is a dictionary? A dictionary is enclosed within a curly braces and it consists of keys and values. Here the first one is the keys and this one is the values. Okay, it's a case sensitive. What you written is should be accessed. If you want to access, what you written here should be correctly mentioned without a caps or a semicolon, with a caps or any special characters. Okay, if we miss to concentrate, it's capital or capitalized or special character, it could be an error. So be concentrated on it. If you access a key, then the value will Finally, I am going to summarize what we learned in this video. Numbers. A simple calculator string. It is a sequence of Unicode characters and it is immutable. List. It is a form of array in Python and it is mutable. Tuples. It is a sequence of immutable Python object. It is also a immutable. Dictionary. It is immutable and is another container type and it is also mutable.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend?